Hi guys. Oh my gosh, it must be my week. I won Karen Munro's journal giveaway. Thank you so much, Karen. It's I saw the flip through of this journal already and it's absolutely gorgeous, so I'm so excited to open it. Sorry, I should have snipped this before I turn the camera on. I say that every time and I never do it. Yeah, I'll put the link to Karen's channel down below. She's another Aussie girl, and if you love Oriental, you will love Karen's channel. She is like the queen of Oriental. Oh no, I'm so excited to have won this, Karen. Thank you so much. Like I don't go in giveaways because I've been blessed with so many happy mails and I feel like I'm so greedy or something. And I did say to Karen like I wasn't entering, but she's just such a lovely person. She still entered me and I won, and I'm kind of secretly glad you still entered me, Karen, because I love this journal. And you've done a Bonny and wrapped this baby up. Oh, this is such a gorgeous journal. See, I would never have thought to do a blue Oriental journal, because when I think Oriental, I always think, you know, red and gold. But I think Karen's done a few now. Whoops. Sorry. Karen, now I know how people feel when I wrap things up as well, because I have not learnt yet that with glue and sticky tape, less is more. Okay. It's like Fort Knox. Okay, I'm in. Oh, look at the cover. And it's so big. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Even if I was a journaler, I would never be able to use this. It's so beautiful. Oh no, I've pulled something off even. Okay. Sorry. Oh, Karen, I pulled a little beanie off. It's okay. I'll check your original video and see where he goes and I'll pop him back on. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's quite big. It's this is fabric. And look at this that she's put on the front. Let me get rid of this. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I'm not sure exactly what it is. It feels like metal. Oh, these are those little things I've been looking for. I can never find them. Just got a charm. Looks like that might be a paper bead there. It's so big and chunky. I love it. Oh my gosh, it looks so neat and perfect as well. And Karen, Karen's a fairly new channel, and I've watched all her videos and all of her journals. I wouldn't call these junk journals because they're just so beautiful. They're more like special handmade journals. But all of her journals, she puts so much work into, you know, so much detail. Look at this. Is this off a kimono or something? Looks like it. So beautiful. Got some dyed papers here. Just put fabric trim on all the edges. Embossing there. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh, that's fabric. Some journal cards. That's a postcard. That's washi tape there. This is really beautiful, Karen. There's 2 pockets there. See, like every little piece of the journal is in theme. Oh, Karen also did a video tutorial on her collaged tags as well. So gorgeous. Was that there? I can't remember. Look at all this foiling. So pretty. Are these, I don't know if these are stickers or what they are. They may be. I feel like I'm missing stuff because there's so much to look at. It's so beautiful. Look at this, is really nice. Oh. Little tag. And I like, you know, I'm not a fan of digital kits, but when I see Karen's work, she uses digital kits the way I kind of like. She actually does work on them. She doesn't just print a digital kit and oh, that's paper clipped. Oh, okay, I see. She doesn't just print a digital kit off and there's her journal. She still does so much work on them. Look at this. This is so nice. It's a little paper clip. And it's fabric. Look. You've just got such an eye for detail. I'm scared I'm going to break something. Okay. Oh, that's a pocket there. So this looks like it's made out of an old envelope or something, is it? And you've painted it. That is so awesome. Oh wow, what is this out of? This paper feels so nice. Little book, look at that. It's an envelope. Like a little coin envelope. Okay, this is so cool, Karen. You should totally do wedding journals and stuff, honestly. This is like a perfect size for guest books and everything. And your work is so nice and so lovely. Like, I feel like your journals are for really special occasions. Okay, I'll put that on later because you're going to watch me fumble about. Oh, Karen, I remember this paper. I think, I don't know if it's the same piece, but I think I sent you a piece of this one time. Ages ago. Love how you used it. I think I've still got some more of that. Big tag. That's embossed. Oh, am I even on? I didn't even realise if I'm on camera. Sorry, I'm too excited. Look at this, so many layers. It's really gorgeous. I love how you've put some ribbon or something, fabric down each page. Is that a pocket? Yeah, I've seen this flip through already, but it's so different when you have it in your hands, and you know, you can feel it and touch everything, and it's like a little journey. It's just like a discovery journey. It's every page, there's so much to look at. This is really beautiful. This is fabric as well. I've done a lot of sewing. So you've put so much work into this. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you gave this away. If I made this, I would never be able to part with it. Oh, she's got a tutorial for these as well. Look at the leaves, it's so beautiful. That is awesome. I love how you've done that. This is cardboard. Oh, I know I sent you this one because I have a little set of those. Unless you've come across some as well, but yeah, they were these little, I'm not sure what they were, but they looked like they were copies of watercolors, really pretty. I don't know if they were bookmarks or something. Look at that. I don't think you could use this, Karen. It's way too beautiful. I don't know what pulls off or not. Look at these little leaves. So beautiful. These are so nice. What is this underneath? I don't know. It feels like fabric, but I don't know if it is. Or if you've just sealed some papers or something. That's fabric on that side. Everything's so lovely. Every little piece. Oh, that's a pocket. Oh, okay. Little Velcro tab there. Oh, that's right. I remember seeing this on your flip through. Little Sudoku. I must say, I'm the queen of Sudoku. I love doing those. I was so addicted at one stage, I couldn't stop. So beautiful. There's some corrugated card there. It's like out of a chocolate box or something. That is awesome. Look, little that's like one of those little coin charms. This washi tape you've got is really nice. And this is beautiful. Oh, that opens up. Oh, thank you so much for entering me, Karen. I feel really greedy winning this, but to be honest, I'm so glad you did enter me after all, because it's so beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. And thank you. This is going into my little cabinet with my other little journals that people have sent me, because it's just, I can't use it. It's so gorgeous. Really, really beautiful. And yeah, head over to Karen's channel and show her some support. I think she's got another giveaway coming up soon. For her, I can't remember if it was 300 subby giveaway. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I can't stop. I'm going to have another flip through. I feel like I've missed little bits. But yeah, head over to Karen's channel. Really, really talented and such a nice person. And yeah, go back to her earlier videos as well and check out. She's got another awesome Oriental one she did. And there's also one that stands out to me, is an Alice in Wonderland one as well. Really, really beautiful. Thank you so much, Karen. Thank you. I'm so happy I won. And thank you for watching. I'm going to put the link to Karen's Etsy and her YouTube down below. Go check out her Etsy as well. Her journals are so beautiful and so much work goes into them, and she's got them so reasonably priced. Like, I just love them. Okay, thank you, Karen. I can't thank you enough. Thanks for watching. Bye.